Moving westward. Now we'll talk about moving westward. Okay, the difference between the North and South. But as we start moving westward, our second cause of the Civil War comes in because of slavery. Moving west, right? Because as we keep adding new states to the territory, new territory, the big question becomes, does a new state become a slave state or does it become a free state? And this big argument eventually leads to the South and the Carolinas seceding and starting the Civil War. So let's look into how this argument kind of develops. So we got look at the Missouri Compromise, the very first compromise in our new union. As we start moving westward, a big argument is that doing so, does a new state become a free state or a slave state? And why is it such a big deal? Because as we start moving westward, there are 11 free states and 11 slave states, which means they were balanced and in power was equal or even. But as we move westward, Missouri wants to come in as a state. They want to slave state. Now the problem is that makes it unbalanced. That means that there will be 12 slave states and 11 free states. So the power is uneven. So we end up making a compromise. The Missouri Compromise comes in as a slave state, and the Maine is added as a free state. Now they were also created these little lines of Missouri to hopefully help solve any future problems and arguments about slave or free states. This line is imaginary. John, as a new states are added in the West, is supposed to happen is any new states above the line should be free states, and any states below the line should be a slave state. But we'll see in the next couple of compromise why it doesn't work out. All right, guys and girls, good job today. You can start logging off. See you guys again on Tuesday.